Hi, this is the VIVO V29 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first open the control panel and find here silent mode icon. Click on this icon to activate silent mode or to turn it off by this way. Also, we can make it by another way, just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Here you'll see the bell icon, click on it twice and now the bell switched to the cross bell, so this means that the silent mode enabled successfully. If you want to turn it off, just by the same way, press to the cross bell and click to the cross bell, it switched to the normal one, so this means that our calls and notifications, they will ring, so this means that the silent mode disabled. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.